Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a falling snow like this without any plugins in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it background, then OK. Go to effect, generate, and for color generate, and I'll change this color. I'll choose these numbers and letters if you want to take this. Okay, number 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, now I'll go to file and import, and I'll choose this image from Google. Okay, press S to increase it, and now I'll go to mask or pin tool, and I'll add a mask like this. Okay, because I want this part. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to masks here and mask 1, feather, and I'll increase feather like this. Okay, again I'll go to background and layer, new solid, and I'll change this color to white and I'll name it background 2. Okay, let me close it, and I'll go to pin tool and I'll add a mask like this. Okay, let me open it and see. Okay, now I'll go to masks, open mask, and I'll go to mask feather. Also I'll change it to 150. Let me see. I'll increase it more. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to file and I'll import snow PNG like this, and I'll press S to increase it like this. Okay, and I'll make it 3D. Then I'll go to effect, generate. Okay, for color generate, also I'll change this color and I choose these numbers and letters. Okay, number 1 and 2, then 3, and 4. Okay, okay, yeah. Now go to first frame, keyframe on X rotation, last frame, and not X rotation. Let me go to, sorry, Y rotation, and last frame, and I'll change it to 1. Okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to layer, and I'll add new solid, and I'll name it, or let me name it snow. Okay, snow. And I'll go to effects and presets, and I'll type CC particle wall. CC particle wall. Okay, let me see this. First, I'll go to grade and I'll close or I'll uncheck all grade here. Okay, then I'll go to producer and radius X. I'll increase it around uh, maybe 675 like this. Also reduce Y a little bit and radius Z. I'll increase it maybe something like this. And also I'll go to position Y and I'll decrease it up like this around minus 40. Okay, this is good. Now I'll go to particle, set line to feed sphere. Okay, and I'll change this color to white and this color to blue one. Go to toggle switch here and set normal to add, not add, color, color dodge. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay. Let me change birth size to 0.1. Also depth size to 0.1. Okay. And I'll go to physics. Explosive, I'll change it to jet sideways. Okay. Also velocity, I'll change it to 0.1. And gravity, I'll change it to 0.015 and see. So now let me go to birth rate and I'll change it to 3. Okay, and longevity, I'll change it to 10 and see. Okay, then I'll go to gravity here and I'll change gravity X a little bit like this. Okay, and I'll decrease gravity Z like this also and see. Okay, so now let me go to layer, new adjustment layer. Okay, effect, color correction and curves, and I'll add a curve like this and see. I think it's very simple, very easy. I don't know. So if you like my tutorial, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.